Hey folks, my name is Fred and welcome to the Canadian Island Life channel. I can't tell you how excited we are to be launching this channel in the early spring of 2022. This channel is going to bring you a lot of great videos depicting the life, the trials, tribulations, and the pain that comes along with owning a private island in Northern Ontario, Canada. There'll be lots of shots of remarkable Northern Ontario scenery, boating and fishing, as well as the local wildlife, renovations on the cottage, and of course, Mushy the cat. We got, oh God, would you quit doing that? You scare me when you do that.
You rang for me?
No, I didn't ring. I said that you're probably going to be on some videos up at the island.
Do I need
Yeah.
to have an agent?
No, you don't. You don't need your own agent. I'll be your agent. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Where was I? Oh, yeah. We got a lot of great videos coming your way that you're not going to want to miss. So come along with us on this journey. Click the subscribe button down below. Enjoy the awesome scenery in the rest of this episode, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.